Hello, Beez Bladers! Welcome back and welcome newcomers to the channel. So I have a couple of sweet finds on Amazon. One of them is a new seller that sells O-Life, or O-Knife, O-Light. There's so many, O-Buy? There's so many of them, but they sell O-Knife, and this is a version that I've never seen. And then I'll show you the other thing that was over there is only like 22 bucks. But check this out. So this is a version I've never seen. It comes with the coin. Now I've shown you I've shown you this knife on one or two videos when I did O-Light videos. But this Amazon seller is selling the Roboto. This is the O-Knife Roboto 2. And I wanted to share it. And I wanted to unbox it and check it out with you. And you know what? This is some good micarta. What in the world happened? O-Knife stepped it up a notch. We have 154 cm blade steel. You have a crossbar lock. Really nice blue accents. Check it out. And the jimping, ooh yeah, the jimping is so good. And if you haven't seen my video on the Roboto 2, I'm telling you, I can already tell you without having to open this knife, it's going to be a good one. But you ready? Pow! Right in the kisser. Oh yeah. Look at that. Love that sheep's footy blade. It is so nice. A little bit of stonewash action. Okay, this is my new favorite, without a doubt, from O-Knife. Wow. Simply because, wait a minute. This is some good micarta. Now see this micarta? I really like the looks of how it patinas. Now if yours gets like this, you could clean it with a toothbrush and soap, but I like that worn look. This is one I carry all the time. This is a KIZER Cormorant. I've probably done 15 videos on that. But anyway, back to the Roboto 2. It's a very comfortable knife. The action is superb. Look at that. Oh yeah, reverse flick it all day long. It's very easy to thumb flick. Look at that. Pow! You can't even see the blade come out. And it just has the perfect amount of tension on that crossbar lock. All right, let's check it out. Left and right, up and down. Now up and down, I could feel like a 0.5, not quite a 1 out of 10. Well, wait a minute. Is that side to side? There, I'm getting just the slightest amount of movement up and down. It's just a little bit. It's not like that on my other one though. And then another thing to definitely notice is that it does not have a sharpening tool, so you're right there at the plunge grind. But this one is priced well. I don't know what the I can't remember what the price is. I'm not even going to say it. I will have links in the description and in the comment section if you want to go check them out for yourself. And you can see there, you won't forget what this knife is. But I do like the looks of this one. I like the feel of it. It has very good ergos. You know, my hand's 4 inches, 3.5, and from the bottom of my palm to the tip of my middle finger is 7.25. And even I know I don't have to review it because I've already done it. The Beez Squeeze, there's no hot spots. It's a very comfortable everyday carry knife. It has good jimping, and look at this. See there? They put the jimping all the way out there so you can really get a grip for doing some pushing, or if you pull like this in the hammer grip, it's all such a good comfortable mobility. And it comes with this. I might as well show it to you. And you know what? We'll probably end up giving this one away. We always give away knives every Friday night. Beez Blades live at the Hive. Oh, right. Don't miss it. 8:15 to about 11:15 to midnight every Friday night, Eastern time. If you subscribe, you'll get a notification. If you hit the notification button, you'll get notified a half an hour before the live stream so you won't miss it. Here's the nice, if you like coins and all this accoutrement, look at that. It's a very, very nice challenge coin. And if you are a faithful Beez Blader, or if you've ended up getting yourself a QSP penguin, which everybody should have a penguin, right? Look at that. It's right in the same size. It's a perfect everyday carry size. It has great action. It's easy in and out of the pocket. I really do like the Roboto 2. Not to mention the fact that it has a reversible clip and you have a lanyard hole. So all you lanyard lovers, you're good to go. And I like the looks of these. These scales are just a little bit shadow boxed, and it gives it a nice little extra coolness. It has flat screws for your pocket clip, and I think it is so cool when you have a knife like this that is 100% ambidextrous. So it has all the lefty love, whether you're right-handed or left-handed, this is going to fit your needs. Now let me show you the other Amazon find that is very, very cool and will go with this one very, very well. So check this out. These are only, right now there's a clippable coupon for the Through Night Archer Pro V2. Yeah, that's right. It's the through night, and they've upgraded. They've made it a little bit better, a little bit nicer. And look at this. It has very, very nice texturing on the aluminum. And these come in blue, OD green, gray, orange, red, black. So you can get whatever color you want. Now check this out. How close is it? It's not as close as I had hoped, but I definitely have a little bit of blue matching my blue. And check that out. They do go very well together. But if you're not familiar with the through night Archer, look at this. Let me just show you this right now. You don't have to put batteries in it. It's USB-C chargeable, baby. It's IPX8 rated, which means, yeah, it's waterproof, and you can drop this from about 3.5 feet, 1.5 meters. It comes with a charging cable. It has the 2-directional clip, similar to Olight, so you can put this on your ball cap. It has a, I don't know that it's improved, but a nicer looking bezel with these 3 little marks or notches on the inside. And it has a PMMA TIR lens for all you flashlight junkies. I know there's a lot of people that get addicted to the flashlights, and this one, for the price, for $22, $23, it is really cool. Now check this out. This one is all operated by this button, or tail cap, or tail switch. Now right now I have it locked out. So when it's locked out, it's very intuitive once you learn how it works. Look at this. You push the button, and then it blinks, and now it's on. So I can turn it off, and now it's unlocked. I can turn it on. And on low, this bad boy is at 13 lumens. And I like it when you can stop the brightness wherever you want. So you hold it down, and it will get brighter and brighter. And this goes all the way up to 430 lumens, baby. And you saw that it just blinked. Once it blinks, which y'all, if you go to the live streams, you know that I need to blink, right? Once it blinks, you can push the button again, and it will ramp down and go all the way back down to 13 lumens. And then it blinks to let you know that's as low as it goes or as high as it goes. But it doesn't just go to 430. You double tap it. Pow! Right in the kissel. Kissel? Right in the kissel. 950 lumens when you put it on turbo. And this one has I would say this has a much more defined circle or spot or throw than the version 1. And I can feel that heat on my hand. So overall, this bad boy is 3.9 inches long. So it's not a big flashlight. It fits it. I always say knife when I'm talking about flashlights, but it's 2.3 ounces. So it's not heavy. It's that perfect EDC size flashlight, or some folks call it a torch. The aluminum in the body is 6061 T6 aluminum. If that means anything to you, I know to me, it just looks really cool, and I really like the texture. Can you hear it? And the only thing I haven't showed you how to do is to lock it. You just hold down and press, and it goes on to the moonlight or the firefly mode. Then you hold it down and press for a few seconds. It'll blink, and then you're locked again. So there's the new O-Knife Roboto 2 with a little bit of my Carta going on, and the new Through Night Archer Pro V2. What do you think about them? You think they make a good pair? Tell me. I want to know, do you like flashlights? Do you carry an EDC flashlight? Do you carry an EDC knife? Inquiring minds want to know in the comments. But go watch this video. You're really going to enjoy that. And until I see you again in the lives or the chats or at the Hive stream on Friday night, remember, live life in the present, keep a Band-Aid handy, and don't cut yourself.